أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh ya Ahlul Quran. I hope and pray that Allah in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so today inshallah let's learn Surah Al-Humazah. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So first I'm going to recite this surah and then let's look into Tajweed rulings. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة. Alhamdulillah, let's begin now inshallah. Number 1, ويل لكل همزة لمزة. ويل, why not well? You should not say wailun, okay, that will be wrong. Wailu, I kind of sound. Wailulli. Tanween is followed by lam, so there will be idgham but with no gunna at all, okay, no wailun, that noon sound should not be there directly. Wailul, okay, wailul likulli, emphasize both these lam, okay, this is due to idgham and here there is already tashdid. Wailul likulli humazatin, hu with the last part of your throat, and za with the buzzing sound. You can see all these letters for one haraka only. Humazatil, again idgham with no gunna. Humazatil lumazah, lumazah, one haraka, and this ta, the round ta, will convert into ha sakina while stopping. So while stopping you should pronounce that ha there, okay, don't miss it. Lumazah, zah, this ha sound should be there, okay, you cannot remove it completely. Wailul likulli humazatil lumazah الذي جمع مالا وعدده. Okay, you can see the noon qutni here, the small noon. It is here because if you want to connect these both ayahs together, then actually this ta is with kasratan here. It is not with kasra. It is actually with kasratan. One kasra is removed and added here in the form of noon qutni. So if you want to connect these ayahs, then you will recite humazatil lumazatin alladhi, lumazati nilladhi. While connecting, due to iltaqa sakina and ruling, you will do noon qutni, apply here. But as we are stopping here at this ayah and reciting humazatil lumazah and then continuing from here, this noon qutni is not at all needed, right? It is not valid. So what we do here, Hamzatul Wasl is followed by lam, therefore we will add fatha and recite alladhi, not nilladhi. Okay, I hope this is clear, which we have learnt already in the basic tajweed. Now let's continue from this ayah and pronounce it alladhi, not nilladhi. Okay, alladhi jama'a, alladhi, no buzzing sound, 2 haraka, alladhi jama'a, 1 count, and ayn should be clear. Jama'a malan, ma, 2 count, malan. Tanween is followed by waw here. Now lan will become lawa, right? Malan wa, malan wa, 2 haraka gunna, fine. ماله وعدده Ayn, not Hamza. This dal has tajdeed and this has no tajdeed. So pronounce the first dal by emphasizing, putting a stress on it. Wa'addadah. Wa'addadah. Okay. Here this madal sila sughra which has inverted dhamma, here you can see, will convert into sakina, the temporary sukoon, and also don't forget to pronounce it. Don't just recite malam wa'addada. That is wrong. Addadah. That sound should be there. Okay. الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده. يحسب, have a sharp, and remaining letters should be just for one haraka. يحسب أن, noon mushaddad, 2 count gunna, but 1 haraka stretching only. أن malahu, ma 2 haraka, lam just 1 count. Malahu. Here there is madal sila kubra, or just similar to madal jaiz munfasil. You can stretch it for 2 haraka also. Okay, but the main thing is all the mad due to hamzas are for 4 count. Okay, so this will be for 4 haraka. Malahu akhladah. A little heavier. Instead of just saying no problem, but still better to make it heavier as this is huruf al musta'aliya. Okay, akhladah. And here again madal sila sughra will convert into sakina, and you will recite ha at the end while stopping. Okay, yahsabu anna malahu akhladah. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. كلا, lam mushaddad, right? You have to emphasize it, not kala. كلا لينبذن. Noon sakin followed by ba here, right? So you will pronounce this meme, not this noon. But that holding of lips should be a little lighter, as we are not doing idgham shifawi here. That is similar to ikhfa shifawi. Okay, but we call this ruling as iqlab, where noon sakin is getting converted into meme. La yunba, 2 haraka gunna. Okay, la yunbazanna, not za, no buzzing sound, but this noon mushaddad with 2 haraka gunna again. La yunbazanna fi, fa with the kasra followed by ya maddiya. It is ya sakina, as we have already learned that while connecting, the mads get cancelled due to the connecting hamza. Okay, due to this hamzatul wasl, you will not redo feel, but just to fill. Hutamah, very sharp. Fil hutamah, ta heavier, remaining letters are light. Don't read this meme heavy, especially as you make this ta heavy. This will also sometimes may become heavy like hutama. That is wrong. And this ta, the round ta, will convert into ha sakina. Fil hutamah. Hutamah. Okay. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة. وما أدراك ما الحطمة. وما أدراك. وما أدراك. Here mad al jaiz munfasil, stretch it for 4 haraka. You can also keep it 2. Better to keep it 4 as it is mad due to hamza, but if you keep it 2, no problem, because jaiz means permissible mad. Okay. وما أدراك. وما أدراك. But in the beginning, if somewhere in the recitation you pronounce mad al jaiz munfasil for 4 count, till the end it should be 4 only. If 2, then till the end it should be 2. You cannot just make 1 4 haraka in one ayah, 2 haraka in the second. Okay, inshallah. وما أدراك. qalqala, ra heavier. أدراك. Many sisters do this mistake, that you just merge the hamza fatha with alif maddiya, like wamad. Wamadraka. That is wrong. Hamza should be very clear. This is a separate word. Don't merge it. Wama adraka. Malhutamah. Same thing is happening here. Iltaqa sakin and ruling where alif madda is getting cancelled. Ma is converting into just mal. Okay. Malhutamah. Same word. Ha very sharp. Ta is heavier. And this ta will convert into ha sakina. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْحُطَمَةُ نَارُ اللَّهِ الْمُوقَدَةُ. Naru, na, two count, ru, just one count and also heavier. Not naru, naru. Okay, narullahi. Lam al jalala should be heavier due to this dhamma. Not la, it is a law. Do isti'ala. Narullahil muqadah. Mu to haraka, qaf heavier and also like a qa, not mu kha. Kha is wrong. No hums in it. Muqadah. Again, the timer buta will convert into ha sakina. Narullahil muqadah. Allati tattali'u ala al-af'idah. Allati. There is no haraka on this hamzatul wasl, but we will add fatha as an next letter is lam. Okay. Allati tattali'u. This ta for two haraka. Allati tatta. Ta is light and also there is little hums in this ta. You can see the air striking your lips, or you can, if you just keep a finger, you can see little air striking there. Ta ta. Okay, hums is there in this, very slight, but still it is there. But in this ta there should be no hums. Okay, it should not be ta. Even if you make it heavier and with hums, then the sifat of the ta will change. It is not a letter of hums, it is a letter of jahr. So it should be ta, not ta. Okay, no hums in this, and also make it heavier. Tattali'u, ayn, not hamza. Tattali'u ala. Just like how we cancel alif mad here and ya mad somewhere here, right? Just like that. Actually, this is alif makhsura. Alif makhsura will usually have standing fatha, that is alif, the small alif, followed by this ya, where ya is getting cancelled because actually this is a form of alif maddiya. Okay, so it is called as alif makhsura. Actually, there should be a standing fatha and we pronounce it like ala, right? You have seen this in many places. But now while connecting, like here there is cancellation of alif and here there is no sakin to indicate that we are cancelling it. Just like that, here there is no standing fatha to indicate that we are not reading that mad due to iltaqa sakinain. But for any chance, if you stop here, if you just do waqf here, then it will be allati tattali'u ala, two haraka only. Even if there is no standing fatha, there will be two count. But while connecting, as usual, due to hamzatul wasl, mad gets cancelled. Okay, alal afidah, afidah. Okay, e, not ayn. Many students are getting confused with this small hamza there. It is actually hamza, not ayn. Okay, don't pronounce it like ayn. Afidah. And again, this round ta will convert into ha sakina. Allati tattali'u ala al-afidah. إنها عليهم مؤصدة. إنها نون مشددة كان غنى, and this ha for two haraka. عليهم, عين not hamza, and the la is wrong, it should be عليهم. Okay, meme sakin is followed by meme. Merging of both the memes takes place. Idgham of الشفوي, right? عليهم مؤصدة. This is hamza with sakina. Jerk, a cut off sound is needed. مؤصدة. عليهم مؤصدة. Okay, don't recite it like إنها عليهم موصدة. موصدة is wrong. It is not mu. It is not waw maddiya here. Many students usually in these surahs pronounce this as musada. It is wrong. It is musada. Okay, hamza with the cut off sound, because waw here is not right. This hamza is right. Sad heavy, but one haraka. Okay, this is sad and this dal, and ta marbuta will convert into ha sakina. إنها عليهم صاده في عمد ممدده في to count عمد not hamza, this is meme here, okay. عمد, connect this to meme. We are doing idgham of with gunna, okay, idgham with two haraka gunna. عمد ممدده, this is also meme here. Mumadda. This dal should be emphasized, but this dal will not be emphasized, okay. There is tajdeed here. عمد ممدده. Again, while stopping, this ta marbuta will convert into ha sakina, and you have to pronounce it, don't forget that, okay. في عمد ممدده. We have completed learning Surah Al-Humazah. So first you will ask the doubts if you have any with these ayahs, with the tajweed rulings of these ayahs, inshallah. Any doubts? 1 second, I'm gonna turn your mics on, inshallah. Yes, any doubts?
No, alhamdulillah.
Okay, inshallah, let's end the meeting now. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.